Hi guys! I know marami sa inyo ang papuntang Sapporo this coming winter season and parang wala ako masyadong nakikitang post related dito so isi-share ko na sa inyo. Sa Hokkaido Chuo Bus, may 30% discount kapag gumamit kayo ng JCB credit card. Valid to from April 1, 2025 to March 31, 2026. May 2025 nga pala nung pumunta kami ng Sapporo and nagamit ko tong discount na 'to with a JCB credit card. Yung binili namin na tickets was for 5 adults and 1 half-price child. Yung isang baby namin kasi free pa siya. Instead of 1,300 yen per person, ang binayad lang namin for the 5 of us na adults and 1 half-price child was only 5,000 yen. Hindi ko agad nabasa 'tong website nila, so hindi ko alam na puwede rin palang bumili ng round trip tickets. Yung ticket na nabili ko lang was one way, kaya nung pauwi na kami, nagbayad na lang kami ng cash at a full price. Hindi ko sure kung puwede kasing mag-swipe yung bus driver dun, eh. So ito, dito sa website na 'to, ilalagay ko na lang din yung link sa comment section. Puwede pala kayo bumili ng round trip tickets and walang expiry. Siguro basta within the promo date hanggang March 31, 2026. For your Klook booking sa Sapporo, don't forget to use my discount code, Mommy Shane Klook. Yun lang, bye!